Hello everyone, once again welcome to this Smarty service. This is a review of the customer 923. So this is a Dell laptop, and the problem customer sent us, the laptop wasn't turned on, and now after we diagnosed and we found something was damaged on the mainboard. It's called, and one of the end channel MOSFET was broken. So we replaced one of the MOSFET, and now the laptop is back to life. Customer able to use it again. So if you have any laptop with the issue that doesn't turn on, feel free to contact us at the Smarty service at any branch. So this is the video, and gonna see you next time. Bye.